To begin the aft curtain installation process, first locate your valance. Insert this into the track in the same manner as you did the visor valance, making sure it's centered up from side to side. There are additional valances that are attached to the side wings of the aft. Remove those. Turn the Velcro side outboard and insert in the bottom of the track. Now to install your aft curtain, locate each piece. Normally they will be in 3 sections. Beginning with the center section, attached to the valance. Partially zip is in the manner of the front curtains. Go to your side panel. Partially zip to the valance. In the center section, and then you can proceed to the other side in the same manner. Now that you have your aft curtain zipped in place, come to the rear transom and locate the bungee cords. Use the lanyard that's attached to pull down, starting at the center, work your way outward. Now that you've attached the center bungee cords, to begin the snap installation, come to the corner of your aft curtain, keeping the canvas pulled taut down the sideline. Use your white grease pencil in order to mark the center of the screw stud in the boat onto the canvas.